Can you summon a sticky bug?
Do 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 do.
Do. Okay, anyways. With that, it's just the intro's weird. Anyways, welcome back to another, grinding with this dude. Andre, the best at YT. Andre's the best at something. Other than there's this dude. Ow, don't. You wanna fight? Yo, you wanna fight, boy?
1 second.
Wait, what?
Trying to do something.
Andre goes AFK. Bruh, we're doing a video. If you don't know, but you're probably wondering, where's DP1088? You might think that you probably won't, but I don't care if you don't. But if you are for some reason thinking, where's DP1088 or DP10 plays, we only make videos on the weekends, so don't expect them to even be joining at all. Anyways, right, Andre? Oh, hi. Hi.
Okay.
There we go.
Well.
What? We're grinding
video.
this dude. Known as Mondotrick.
Sir.
Well, if this becomes a series where we're just grinding for no reason, and then we just start a video for no reason.
No.
Okay, we're just gonna do this.
Yeah, that.
Anya. I'm making a sacrifice to the gods.
Oh, look who's down at the stump.
It's on it. On it, why are you over there at the stump?
I don't know.
Right now we're with On It, and yeah, we're playing with On It. Yep. He's on his Alt account right now. He's not in Discord because he doesn't want to show his voice. And he doesn't really...
He just doesn't understand English.
He knows English, Andre! Don't make the people who's viewing this confused.
Yeah, my computer's so laggy because I'm recording a video too.
You're recording a video, seriously?
I just usually have them on my files just whenever.
Whenever the world ends and you have to make a YouTube video. Hi. I'm just gonna do one thing I've always done. Sit in one place and do nothing. I thought I could get away fast enough, but I didn't.
I'd sit in one place and get railed.
He's just like, nope, you can't do that. Okay.
Today's sunny.
Not today. I have 1,465 blueberries.
I got more, how much blueberries I got? 1,370 blueberries, 228 pineapples, 2,144 sunflower seeds,
Ooh, coconut.
188 strawberries.
Alright, take 2.
200 and 241 treats.
Cool. Okay, take 2 of me standing in one place. This sprinkler will indicate where I stand.
You mean by eventually die? Ow.
You're gonna die, Andre.
No.
Oh my gosh, dude! Look how close I am!
Just watch him come straight down to you.
I can't move.
Watch him get a double kill.
Yeah, he just kills both of us. Come on. Watch him walk away. Oh. I survived.
Just so you up.
Oh!
You survived again.
No. Okay. Oh, this is scary. Hey, can you get that boost for me? I need that boost that turns me into a bear. Come, buddy. Please. Come on. Buddy! You got the wrong. I don't want
I
Ace.
got
I
one.
can't get Ace. I want to be a bear to scare him off. Fun fact, Mono Chick is scared of bears.
Why is he not scared of my black bear? Or you just died?
Bruh. Are you kidding me? Cub Buddy doesn't count, by the way. Cub Buddy's only a baby.
I know, but what if mine was a brown bear?
If he was a brown bear, he'd be very scared. Because brown bear has had a history with Mondo Chick of doing a bunch of wrestling. And brown
What do
bear
you
is
need
one.
for the
Brown bear cub?
Yeah, give me a second.
300.
Oh, what after completing 300 brown bear quest?
I've done 339.
I'm just in 25.
Well, that's piece of shit.
Oh, my Cub Buddy is 3 weeks and 1 day old.
Alright, this is where I'm staying, Andre. He'll never hit me.
Yeah.
Never. Like, seriously.
That just means you can't get the Okay, I should probably rename my Cub Buddy.
Oh, buddy. You actually are? Just gift givers, yeah. Rename him. Just gift maker. Give him an actual name. Like Despacito. Just name him Despacito.
Okay, I'm gonna change his name.
Okay, quickly. I'll protect you. Wanna fight me? Oh, let go!
How do you save it?
How do you save it? You do. That's how you do it. That's how you do it.
It won't change it.
You just enter. You tap.
Go. Got it.
My white. You don't have whitey, Andre. It should be Subtle Sponge's whitey. We're gonna get another blessing.
Unfortunately, we're gonna get it 2 times this time and not a 1.
Maybe we will have a small chance to do that. 7 minutes of us just watching us defeating a Mondo Chick. Come on, give us it 2 times. Let's go. Time to die, Mondo Chick. It's your time to go. I will do Deo's hula dance. Hula, 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 hula. We got it. Yeah, 2 times.
This is laggy for me.
Mondo Chick was scared of us, so of my hula dance. Deo's hula dance.
Yeah.
Who is also DP10 plays. I just revealed his name. Andre the Best Set's name is Andre the whole time.
Now, what are you talking about?
That's so surprising. Right, Andre?
Yeah, totally.
So surprising. I didn't even know. Ooh, get a microphone bird.
Okay, I stopped recording my video.
Just stop.
Yeah.
What do you gotta use it for?
Yeah. Hopefully, sure. It's random footage.
Full-fledged. You get a YouTube channel?
I wish.
Dude, I got a lot of honey from that.
I did too.
Yeah, 2,500,000.
I got 4 million.
What? Hacks.
To my YT just made gifts.
At least mine actually kind of has like an actual name. Not like.
How do you get back there?
Dude, by the way, you know why that you see back there? If you look and if you kind of look like this to the side like this, like what I'm doing, you'll actually see there's a hole there. You can kind of see there's a hole.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah, that's the weird thing. I don't understand. If you jump, also jump. While you're doing this,
I saw it.
yeah, and you'll see a hole for no reason. I don't understand it though. It's weird.
Mind me, I'm just instantly converting real quick.
What if I just glitch in there and I just go down the hole? It just brings me to this area that I've never seen before. No, what if it brings me to On It Land? That'd be weird. Wait, since it's nighttime, I'm gonna go down that cave hole. Since when it's nighttime. Wait, you have another night bell, right?
What?
You could use it after, if this nighttime doesn't last. Because I want to do an observation. It's just gotta be a small one.
Bruh, there's a Winley bee leaving again.
It doesn't tell us. What the heck? On it. Whoa. Okay, I've made it the subzone. Oh,
Okay,
okay,
I'm
it's
coming.
daytime, isn't it? No, it's not daytime.
Not yet.
This is subzone. I call it subzone because. Oh my gosh, dude, the other hole? I see the other hole by the place.
Where are you?
It's right. So you know where the end of. You know where On It Land is?
And On It Land.
You're in it. I'm literally. I can do. I see the other hole. Where that. Where that glasses.
There.
So if you look up and jump up a little bit.
Oh yeah, I see it.
Yeah, what the heck? Also, you can kind of see that 30Bs.
Is there a painting over here?
30B zone. Yeah, there's a one. See it? There's a creepy painting over here. I don't understand it. I think it means Robo Bear.
So there's someone with the flower wand. There's Stick Bug. There's King Beetle. There's Winley Bee. There's Vicious Bee.
On it, and then there's this.
Bear.
No, what is that?
Like
What is this bee actually? This
It's
is not.
Winley Bee. No, that's not Winley Bee. That looks like a basic bee.
This is Windy Bee right here. I don't know what bear
No.
this is. This is Vicious Bee's face. This is
I see the
Coconut
bear
Crab.
that it is.
What?
I'll see the bear that it is.
What?
Give me one moment.
I think it might be Tunnel Bear.
Okay, this is the bear that it is.
Are you showing it on Discord?
Oh, I just showed it. I just reset it and showed it.
Bruh. It's Reset Bear?
Yeah.
This a little. This is weird.
Totally.
This is kind of suspicious. Because it could be Tunnel Bear, but it looks
2.0.
small. It's too small to be Tunnel Bear. So.
Yeah.
Coconut Crab looks decent, the size. Windy Bee looks the size. King Beetle looks the size. Everything looks size to the right size except the bear. So it can't be Tunnel Bear. That's impossible. He's like 3 times bigger. It's weird though. Guys, if you know what it means, please comment down below because I have no idea. We have no idea. You can see how it looks so close to you, but it's not. This wall is.
Oh, bro, you want me to screen record?
You want? Dude, how big is this wall? It looks like I'm so close to it, and I'm not even close. It's just nothing outside of that. This place, no, what the heck happened?
I'm sharing my screen.
Oh, okay. I don't
Hey,
understand.
bro, where are all my bees?
Wait, where are you? They're sleeping.
Here, they're here.
My gosh, you're lagging hard.
Let's try Tunnel Bear.
Dude, your video's lagging so hard.
Sorry.
But we gotta watch it, guys. Because this is the best. It's gotta instantly die, isn't it? Are you in a cave?
Where Tunnel Bear is.
Okay, let me come.
I'm fighting it now.
It just shows you going inside.
Like, I will use my pedal wand and fight.
Shuriken! Shuriken!
Okay, maybe I shouldn't.
Shuriken. You're so lucky though. Ah! I like your lag. I like your cut lag. I like your lag, G.
G.
I like your lag, G.
Thank you.
And he said, let the lag continue on. Oh, I see Impale. Alright, I'm going out of Subcon.
Okay.
Or the end. I'm gonna call this the reverse con. This is Subcon. This is under there's reverse con. You guys were subconscious. What the? Diamond? Hi, Onnit. Do you want to explain to me what you made down there? Tell me all you know. Okay, thanks. He told me what he knows.
What does he know?
Can't tell you.
But you better tell me what he knows, or I will come over and throw punch you.
I'm just gonna stay right there. Stay right there. Wait. Andre. He will fight on you! Come on.
Okay, I gotta turn off my screen sharing.
Okay, I'm gonna gumdrop you and kill you with my gumdrops. Use code gum drops for science. And you'll get gumdrops for science. You can see it actually works. Yep, okay, bye.